Namaskar, friends. On 1st November 2021, a discussion was made with me and Dr. Dinesh Abrol, a scientist from CSIR, how to implement, how to motivate, and how to make competent all stakeholders, including farmers and extension workers, to implement IPM in more and more area by way of conducting a village level training program to them. Friends, it is noticed that in all the departments which are working as a stakeholders of IPM, they are having a shortage of staff. The posts which become vacant due to retirement of staff are not filled up. So because of this reason, it has now become very difficult to popularize IPM among more and more farmers because of a shortage of staff. For that, it was discussed that if we can train or we can make the farmers or farm laborers who are the main contributors of farming program may be trained in village level so that the IPM program can be facilitated to popularize it in big way and broader way. For this, we have to make the all stakeholders capable and competent to grow healthy crop, to grow safe crop, to grow bumper crop, to eat, and also a quality crop to trade. Friends, for that, we must conduct a training program at village level for the village worker or farm laborers, or the farmers who are actually engaged in farming work, to make the farm laborers competent to use all the machinery which are used in pest control operation or farming system, how to use these equipment safely, how to handle the poisonous and risky chemical pesticides. For that, we have to include all these topics in IPM training program also. Since it is difficult to take up more and more activity by different type departments, which are including central department or state department or university department, it is very difficult to spare their staff members for this program because of shortage of staff. So there is a need to revise our IPM program or implementation way of implementation of IPM, for which we have to conduct a training program for the farmers, for the farm laborers, for extension workers or other workers who are really interested to popularize IPM. For that we have to conduct a benchmark survey of the farmers as well as farm workers or farm laborers to assess their practical knowledge about the crop production, protection and crop management program. By way of conducting their personal interview and assessing the gap between the IPM practices and the knowledge gained by them. Farmers are not using, it has also been observed that the farmers or farm laborers, they are not using a protective devices while they are implementing the IPM or while they are using a spraying machine or while they are spraying pesticides, chemical pesticides, which are very poisonous, which are dangerous to the human health as well as cattle's health as well as the environment and nature's also. So these farmers as well as farm laborers, they must be trained in a practical way by adopting one village. Second very important things which were discussed here, it was the incentive for the farm laborers as well as farmers. And next important thing which was discussed during the meeting, it was the bima or insurance of the farmers or farm laborers who are actually engaged in the pesticide spraying. Since because on different time to time, several death cases as well as several poisoning cases are noticed. So to popularize any concept among the society, a strong political and bureaucratic willpower and support with correct vision, working attitude in team, proactiveness to get success at any cost, to achieve the desired results or desired goals or desired objectives by way of creating awareness among them, creating awareness as well as motivating the stakeholders which are involved in the farming system or plant protection system are very much essential to popularize and implement IPM in big way. Thank you very much.